Hello everyone, welcome to Flat Bio. Today we're going to have a review on the pharma company AbbVie. We're going to review a few things. One is to review the general company status and the financials, and then the key challenges and the opportunities that the company is facing. Next, we're going to have an overall pipeline review of the company as well as a key product pattern review. And finally, we'll also have a quick review of the history of AbbVie and Abbott Labs. This used to be one company, but they got split up. Today, we will not provide review of the recent acquisition that AbbVie had. Is a neuroscience company, Cerevel, and another is a cancer drug company, ImmunoGen. We plan to have another episode or two to give more in-depth review of those two companies, those two acquisitions, and the impact on the pipeline of AbbVie. And then the key source of data are based upon a few key documents. Is a 10Q filing AbbVie had to SEC in November of 2023. Basically, it's a Q3 report. The second document is a 10K filing, which is a company's annual report to SEC filed back in February of next year, February 2023. We also took a reference on the other company presentations, such as 2024 JP Morgan Health Conference webcast, as well as 2023 JP Morgan presentation. So now we're going to go back to the financial of the company. We'll go to the 10K filing of the company. In terms of financials, recent the company having been experiencing some major decline in earnings. We can see from here, from 2023, the Q3 filing, the 3 months of operating earning decreased to 2,281 million from last year, $4,603 million. So overall, we can see this is a 3-month results. These are the 9-month results. So we can see there have been a significant, a major decline in the operating earnings. If we look at it, did a rough calculation of the net earning, that net earning had a 54.93% drop for the 3 months earning, and then a 56+% drop for the 9 months. So all this major decline mostly is due to the lost exclusivity, patent exclusivity of the immunology product Humira. And going down, and then we can see the comprehensive income also had major drawdown, almost close to 55% of a drop. Keep on going. Total asset, the current liability, cash flow. Overall cash flow is a slight increase, 3.26% increase. Keep going. So go back down to the earnings per share. We have 2023 $1 per share, declined from last year's $2.22. So this was a 55% decline. So we can see overall the company had a major decline in the earnings and rooted back to the EPS, earning per share. So all this is like a close to 55% of a decline. And the company has some licensing acquisition activities. One is a acquisition of the company called Synthesai and Juvice Pharmaceuticals. So these are two acquisitions. And then the company also have some collaborations. One major collaboration is a collaboration with Janssen Biotech. AbbVie is jointly developing and commercialization of Imbruvica. This is a cancer drug. And then in addition to that, so back to the Imbruvica, AbbVie and Janssen will share. We have a cost sharing arrangement, and then Janssen's responsible for 60% of the co-development cost, and then AbbVie responsible for the 40%. And then they will eventually have a profit sharing. Going down, there's another collaboration, which is with the Genentech. With the Genentech, that a BCL2 inhibitor, Venclexta. This is also a cancer drug used to treat blood cancer, hematological malignancies. Yeah, so this is a second major collaboration in cancer. And then one other thing I'd like to highlight, the company also highlight a product, Vuity, a product called Vuity. The company made a strategic decision to reduce ongoing sales and marketing investment in Vuity. So the company made a major decision to reduce the sales and marketing activity, and then we'll expect a significant decrease in a cash flow. And then there's another update I'd like to also highlight. Going through AGN 151607. Collaboration, Genentech, cost of product, goodwill. And this is a beauty. Oh, yeah, this is here it is. This is a product, AGN 151607. Yeah, so there's a neurotoxin being developed for treatment of atrial fibrillation after cardiac surgery, in cardiac surgery patients. So there will be a delay in the timing of the regulatory approval. Yeah, so the company is adjusting future projected cash flow because of the delay in the regulatory approval. Yeah, so this is another update.